In this video, I'm going to go over 7 passive income ideas that will earn you money in your sleep. We will discuss different ways you can make money without actively working for it. Let's begin. First up, we've got rental property. Investing in rental property is a very common strategy to generate passive income. Purchasing a property can earn you a steady stream of monthly incomes from the tenants you're renting the property to. Granted, you've got trustworthy tenants, this could be a very reliable source of cash flow and can be a lucrative long-term investment. Another benefit of owning a property is as the property value increases or appreciates, you build positive equity. That is money in the bank that once you decide, for example, to sell the property, that extra cash will come straight into your pocket. However, owning a rental property requires time, effort, and financial responsibility, not to mention the capital to purchase a property to begin with. While it's definitely a good investment and can generate a steady source of passive income, I'll still say be careful, research the market, consider all the expenses involved in it before you make an investment like that. Number 2, renting out your space. If you have unused space in your house or garage, you could rent this space out on platforms such as Airbnb or storage facilities. Now, I had a lot of space in this property that I own, and I did rent it out for a very long time and made a steady source of passive income while still living in my own property and having overall control or visibility of what's going on in it. It could be a great idea for you to generate a few extra bucks on the side. Now, the good thing about it is once you've set it up, it doesn't really require much effort or inputs on your side. Just be very careful who you let into your house, and end of the day, you're sharing a common space with each other. You need to be able to get along. Number 3, dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of a company that pay out a portion of their stocks to their shareholders. By investing in dividend stock, you can earn a steady, regular income without having to sell your shares, like in other ways of stock trading. Now, in my opinion, the truest way of actually earning passive income. At the same time, create a diversified investment portfolio. Dividend stocks typically are less riskier than other types of investment and are a good option for those who want to supplement their current income but not having to put the work in. Here again, it's always important to do your due diligence and carefully consider the risks and potential returns before investing. Number 4, online courses. Another way to earn passive income is create an online course. If you have a skill or expertise in a particular subject, you can create a course and sell this course on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable, which are the go-to marketplaces for selling online courses. Now, while I would say this is a great way for someone who has knowledge and skills in a particular field to share it with other people and earn money of it, I would be careful because there are a lot of online courses out there that just don't bring no value whatsoever to people. If you have a value add that truly can help people, then it's very important to invest time in producing high quality content and marketing it effectively to increase your earning potential. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Now, this involves promoting someone else's products or services and earning a commission through every sales made via a unique affiliate link. Now, affiliate marketing can be done through a website, social media, or even email campaigns, but the key to success in affiliate marketing really is that you believe the product that you're promoting to people and it's relevant to your audience. Now, I would say that this is the easiest way to create passive income because a pre-requirement for this really is to have a big following behind you. Otherwise, you will start from scratch, and who's going to buy a product for someone that they've never seen or heard of? Number 6, creating a digital product. Creating a digital product like an ebook, a printable, or even a software can be a great way to create passive income for yourself. Now, you do have to put initial work in to get to that point, but once the product is created, it really doesn't take much work from you. Now, to truly be successful in creating a digital product, you need to be able to identify a real problem that your audience has and create a product that solves that problem for them. By doing this, you create a product that people are willing to pay for because they see a tangible benefit for themselves. And finally, we've got number 7, investing in a business. Now, if you have some capital just lying around, you could theoretically invest in a business and earn some profit share from that business without actively running this business. Now, I would say this is a great way to get involved into entrepreneurial world without actually dealing with the stresses and hassles of running a business day to day. Now, there are many businesses out there that look for investments. It's all up to you to go and do your research and due diligence to find that business that best aligns with your values, your principles, but also your skills and knowledge, and invest in it. Now, again, it is very important that you research the company's financial and the business plan to see if it's a viable investment opportunity. Additionally, it's important to negotiate the terms of the investment, how much profit you get, what your involvement looks like, etc., etc., etc. But once all this is out of the way, it could be a great way to earn some passive income. Let me know in the comment section if you are doing any of the ones that I've mentioned and if it worked out for you. And if you want to know about 7 side hustle ideas that no one is talking about, click my next video and I will see you guys there. Peace out.